So, over a short series of videos, what I'm planning to do is restore it, clean the rust, repaint the firebox, fix the boiler back in correctly, fix the steam line, just check everything else for issues, but I don't think there are any. Yeah, it looks original. It's had a... it's been tinned at some time, or it was tinned originally, I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a little bit of stiction left. The wear isn't terrible. Yeah, it's okay. I'm sure it will run without having to do any work to this. So next step, strip it apart. Let's remove the engine block frame first. What's not so nice is the grub screw. I'm not sure what this was originally, but it definitely needs replacing. Okay, the axle's reasonably straight, I think. Yeah, good enough. Really convinced the washers holding down the firebox are not original. So the wrong size for the bolt. Yep. It's okay. Not too much soot. Just needs to be removed from that end. Yeah, there's bits of green paint on the bottom of the firebox. Leather glove, avoid unnecessary scarring. So there we are. Not too bad. I'm sure this solder is, some of it's going to be original. It's a bit of a mess. But I can fix it.